So hello everyone, I want to show you a trick to find some Creative Commons really easily. Those are ones you need to make videos out of others' videos because they are kind of copyright free. So you go to this site called search creativecommons.org. Then you type what you're looking for. I search for something in Russian, which means funny corgis, because I need that for one of my channel. Then I go to YouTube right here. Sorry if the screen is shaking. I can't use my screen recorder because I have so many viruses. So then you get all the funny corgis on YouTube, and they are all Creative Commons. And now guess what? They gave you the code for how to type the thing. So anything that you will type, then you put a comma and Creative Commons like that, one straight word with a S at the end. This will give you all the Creative Commons that are related to that topic, or that keyword I should say. And it works for any niche, anything you want, for any of the languages that are on YouTube. So it's quite a useful tip to get other stuff that the competition doesn't have, especially in the Creative Commons market. So I hope that helped you. If it did, please subscribe to my channel, Making Money Online in 2020. So far, I'm still learning a lot every day, but I want to share with you what I've learned so far. Thanks a lot.